In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a Zendesk ticket. Whether you're trying to get support for a product, report an issue, or simply need information, submitting a ticket through Zendesk is a common process for many companies and organizations. Let's dive into the process, designed to be both simple and efficient. First, you'll need to access the Zendesk website. This is where you'll start the submission process. Once there, you'll find a Sign In button. Click on it. You might notice that you're prompted to click Sign In once more, so go ahead and do that. This next step is crucial for verification purposes. You'll need to type in your email address and password. Now, these credentials are what ties you to your account and ensures that your request can be managed effectively. Once you've entered your login details, you can either press the Enter key or click the Sign In button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your ticket. You'll likely see a list of tickets if you've submitted multiple queries or reports. Click on the ticket you wish to submit or inquire about. This action will open the ticket, allowing you to view its details or update it as needed. After opening your ticket, look towards the bottom right of your screen. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu. This is your toolkit for specifying what you'd like to happen next with your ticket. The options available in this drop-down are crucial for the next step in managing your ticket's lifecycle. When you click on this drop-down, you'll be able to choose the status you desire for your ticket. This could range from resolving the issue, requesting further information, or any number of administrative actions. Each option in the drop-down represents a different route your ticket could take towards resolution. Choosing the correct status is vital. It informs the support team of your needs or confirms the completion of a process. Once you select the appropriate status, your action effectively submits the ticket for the desired outcome. Submitting a Zendesk ticket is more than just filling out a form. It's about starting a dialogue. Making sure you're clear and precise in your communication will help the support team to assist you efficiently. Remember to review your ticket details before submitting to ensure all necessary information is included. That wraps up our guide on submitting a Zendesk ticket. Simple steps like signing in, selecting your ticket, and choosing the desired status are key components of this process. With this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate the Zendesk platform with ease and get the help or information you need. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to revisit any section of this video if you need further clarification.